Hi, my name is Anya and today I really want to show you how to make some cherry jam squares. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
To make these jam squares, you will need to add 125 grams of softened butter to a bowl and mix until smooth. Then add in 170 grams of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg and mix until well combined. Then add in a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until smooth. Add 300 grams of flour in 2 batches. And add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix until a soft dough forms. Then press the dough down, place a cling wrap over, place into the fridge for 30 minutes. Cut a third of the dough out and place it into the fridge. With the rest of the dough, press into a lined baking tin. Poke holes into the dough using a fork. Then spread on 6 tablespoons of cherry jam or any other flavor of jam that you like. Using a grater, grate the dough that is in the fridge over the cherry jam. Place into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 35 minutes. These jam squares are normally cut into squares, hence the name jam squares. But today I cut them into fingers. By cutting vertically all across the baking tin, then cutting horizontally 3 times. I hope you try to make this at home. And enjoy!